My kit arrived, RANS S-21 outbound. So this video is going to be about me going out to Kansas to fly the S-21 outbound and then to build the rudder. But before I get into that, I wanted to kind of take a moment to talk about why I picked this over the Kit Fox. I've got another video where I break down everything to the minutiae level detail, and I'll leave that link in the description below. But suffice to say, it really came down to useful load, speed, and the amount of time it takes to put together versus the Kit Fox. But useful load is over 800 pounds in the RANS. It's quite a bit less in the Kit Fox. Now I'm going to be putting the Titan IO 340 180 horsepower engine, which is quite a bit bigger than what most people put in the Kit Foxes. This thing will do north of 150 miles per hour, whereas the Kit Fox 110 on a good day. And then the last thing is build time. Now the factory says 500 hours. I know it'll be well more than that, but the Kit Fox is almost twice that, because you've got fabric, you've got wood, you've got aluminum, you've got steel. In this, you got primarily aluminum. You know, the cage is steel, but it's powder coated stainless steel. There's some other components that are steel, but other than that, it is all aluminum. And also they CNC drill all the parts there. There's some match drilling, but really there's no fabrication, so the build time is really, really low. And I'm on this leave of absence or EIL incentive line from my airline, and I don't know how long that's going to last, and I'm trying to crank this out and get it done, at least get it flying before I go back to the airline. So that's a little bit of context. Without further ado, Jim, roll the tape. Hello, the Pilot Network, it's Steve. I'm out here in Hays, Kansas to build my rudder on the S-21 outbound, and as luck would have it, Randy Schlitter, the man, the myth, the legend himself, is available to give me a quick test flight in the S-21 outbound.
Roll this thing outside and see if we know how to fly.
All right. So Titan?
Yeah. Yeah, the 180 stroked engine.
Cool.
And we'll do a jump takeoff. That'll be fun.
All right.
And 15 Romeo Delta departing 34 days.
Hays traffic goes 5155, be departing on 34 straight out departure, return 8.
Yeah, we let her build a little speed, climbing out here. Trim it out hands on.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Basically sit back and enjoy the ride.
Did I see a camera in the left cowl there?
Yeah, we've got taxi vision right here.
Oh yeah, all right, cool.
It's anti-line boy chopping.
Arms crossed, look at that. It's like me on the tanker. If you really want to show off, you put your hand off the throttle and up on the, I don't know, do your hair or something.
Or do this.
Sure do. Old Trent Palmer and Kevin Quinn. We gotta get them in RANS though.
Yeah, they probably never go to something that's as versatile as the outbound. They want a more specialized aircraft too. Now, if you don't have to fly it anywhere, I can make you a plane and jump in the ground in 5 feet. You know, that's not a hard thing to do.
Sure.
But if you got a mission that requires utility.
Oh, that's one of the keys, right?
Yeah.
There, this guy.
Yeah, that's the easy build wing that we make, and it's tough.
Leading edge D-spar. Awesome.
Alright, we're above the bumps, so we can play around up here a little bit.
Cool, cool.
I think first thing we'll show you is we'll optimize it for the high-end cruise. We should see maybe 145 to 150 plus. And our true hour speed's coming up. We're bumping up there a little bit faster now. 150, 8.2.
Lots of room back there.
All right, now we'll demonstrate the bottom end, and then you get to play with it.
All right.
We'll do idle power, no flaps. I haven't retrimmed yet, and I won't. And we should see something like 50. And there it breaks. There it is.
Nice. No flap.
And we'll bring in the flaps. Should see something maybe 40.
You got my 210 pound butt in here.
There it is, 39.
Very nice. Nice and
The recovery is really easy. You just barely bump, release the stick, and it goes. And there's another interesting thing. If you pop the flaps off 100%, it really doesn't quit flying. It tends to grab. That's an advantage of a narrower chord flap.
Okay.
You have a less dynamic change to your CP.
I guess that makes sense, yeah. Center of pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So your CP don't move so much. All right, your airplane.
All right, I better turn off the camera.
Yeah, we see how lousy an F-15 pilot handles an outbound, and we don't want it on record. Are you sure you're not a Navy pilot from the way you've been there? I hope you had fun.
Sure did. It's worth the trip.
Well, everybody, welcome.
Thank you.
So, these are the 3 tables that we'll be working on today, and I've got all the parts laid out here.
Uh-oh. Don't look now.
Got everybody here, huh?
So the very first step is rolling the rudder, huh?
Rolling the leading edge,
Cool.
yes.
First Clico.
I'm finally figuring that out.
Need my glasses, I think.
There you go.
It's gotta go further, right?
No, you can let it go like this. I think it's...
Oh, okay. I see.
It'll put it down.
Great.
Perfect. We'll grab a few more. And...
No, boy. I'm done. That's it. That's tired.
This is 6061 T6.
Okay.
6061 T6.
Yeah, because
Flip it over. We want the clecos on the edge of the table. We're going to go up, up, and around. Press down towards the table. There you go. A little bit past, right there. Let it bounce back.
Turns out if you hold the camera, you don't have to do work.
Yes. Opposite direction. Moved, but you do want to have that attacking here, that way you know you're perfectly straight.
I was in remedial filing class, so Rich is going to show me how to press the bushings.
press those in at the press.
On parts.
Just get it started.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
That is inserted correctly, yes.
Put pressure on it, and
There we go. Yep, it's seated perfectly. Go ahead like that. Yeah, go pull and wait. There you go.
yeah.
That is it.
All right.
We'll be doing a lot of that on the front. That's why if you get on a PDF, you can...
Yeah, the blue. I've fought them many times. Since Klamath Falls is just up the road, they'd bring us to spank them around for BFM a little bit.
Yeah, see, he was in the war for a long time. And he said, yeah, we used to fight the F-15 guys.
Yeah. They're good pilots, though. Tell you what.
You got
Right. 42. And it's in all the holes that are there.
You guys are going to need these. Cinch them down.
Oh, thank you.
Because the ribs and I can see my grip.
.7. So we could either...
I'm just putting this in here, right?
Yep. That is absolutely correct.
Oriented correctly.
Yes.
Cool.
Now what are you looking for? Yeah.
Well done.
And you've almost got a rudder.
Just waiting for a rib again. Is it okay just to hand hold this? Do it?
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
No!
Okay.
How do it work? I don't know.
It works like this. See?
Oh.
Turn left, you go left.
And here we have Steve. He's building a rudder. This is the first time Steve has ever seen Cleco or Cleco pliers. Now that he knows what it is, he's going to use Clecos for everything.
Hey, dog, come here.
I'm taking a picture! There's 2 great places to eat.
I'm stoked. I'm close to getting my kit, so they're gonna keep my rudder here and pack it with my stuff. It's starting to get packed up next week. Eddie, thanks a lot, man.
Hey, you're welcome.
Dude, that was awesome.
It was my pleasure.
I had a lot of fun. I learned a ton.
I hope to see you soon with an airplane.
Well, yeah, more likely than not, I'm gonna be calling you for like, what the heck is this? But anyway,
That's awesome.
that's what the forums are for, right?
Absolutely.
Anyway, this has been awesome. We're gonna go tour the factory. Okay, have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too, guys.
See ya.
He wants to know if I can send him the specs from his 1990
Is this guy?
shell wheel. Gives you exactly the same thing with the wheel. I could have showed you when you attached him. Alright, you guys.
Okay, we're out.